This is my first YouTube video in a very long time. I'm gonna try to remember to look at the lens. I am here from TikTok, as I think a lot of you guys are too. If you are wanting to see makeup, beauty, parenting, reviews, all of the things, I have ADHD, you name it, please subscribe to my channel. I am going to be showing you how I put on some false eyelashes. I was able to review so many over the course of the year that I was doing TikTok shop, and my favorite by far are uCoolme. I will have them all linked in the description box below through my Amazon link. Obviously, I do earn commission. I'm a single mother. I am trying to make it work here on YouTube, and I appreciate your support. I have so many different kinds that I love, but today I'm going to be using this. This is the Spike and Secret. If they have one that is just this and not these, I would recommend getting those. I will try to post all of my favorites in the description box below if you guys are interested, but we're going to put these on today. So many people don't know how to put on false eyelashes. I've sort of mastered it, and I want to share with you my knowledge, and that's why I'm doing this video today. First and foremost, you need to get all your supplies ready. Generally, these come in starter packs or starter kits where they come with a bond and seal. They come with a pair of tweezers. They also come with remover. I do not recommend pulling these off of your eyelashes because you will risk losing your eyelashes, and we don't want that. So don't pull them off. Make sure you use the remover provided. The first thing that you're going to want to do is add the bond to your eyelashes, okay? Not a whole lot, but enough to cover your eyelashes, but also allow it to be tacky. That takes about 15 to 30 seconds. So I'm going to add this to my eyelashes. I have already curled them with a curling eyelash curler. Okay, we're gonna allow it to get tacky. If you don't do this, the false eyelashes will not adhere to your natural eyelashes as well. Just trust me when I say that. I like to sometimes use this Dollar Tree fan to help speed up the process if I need it, but sometimes I don't. I also like to apply the bond to the eyelashes themselves. I find that this gives you a more complete bond that allows them to stay on longer. I have had these last up to 5 days. This is a size 14. I don't have a lot of like the size I usually wear, which is 10 and 12, but just for the sake of this video, we're gonna put on a 14 because that's what I have. I'm gonna put it in the middle here, and you'll want to make sure that you get it above the waterline. I promise you, you're not gonna like what it feels like if you get it inside of your waterline. I'm going to put a 12 on both sides of the 14. And you guys can mix and match these however you want. And then I take this one and I'm going to put it in the outer corner right here. Again, staying off the waterline, and you can press it up if you want to, but be very careful because your hand could slip and you could poke your eye, and that hurts, as I've done it before. And then you take the tweezers and you clamp them together. Sometimes your tweezers will get a little like clumped up. What I do is I just take an alcohol pad. I buy like tons of these, and I wipe it off in between applications, and it gets the stickiness off of the tweezers so that they're not sticking to the false eyelashes as I'm trying to clamp them. I buy these in bulk on Amazon. Again, I'll have that linked in the description box if you guys are looking to get some yourself. All right, then I'm gonna take another 12 and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. How far you go into the inner corner is really up to you. I don't like going too far because I don't have a lot of eyelashes on the inner corner of my eye. That's just how I was made. So I'm just gonna place this to the left of the 14. And what I like to do sometimes is I like to add a little bit of mascara right here just to make those little baby eyelashes more, accentuate the baby lashes in the inner corner. But this is generally all I do. And then I add some mascara to my bottom eyelash line, and it ends up looking really good. In terms of sealing it off, what I like to do is I like to take the seal and put it on the tweezers themselves. Do not put these directly onto your eyelashes. You will have a white cast and it won't look good. So I just do this, and then I take the tweezers and I clamp the eyelashes in place, and this helps to seal the bond and it helps them to last longer. It's kind of an imperative part of putting on false eyelashes. And there we go. I'm going to finish this off and then I'm going to finish the video. As you can see, eyelashes really help to make, I don't have a whole lot of makeup on. I just have like a little bit of concealer on, and it just helps to make the look just a little bit more refined, if you will. Once again, the uCoolme eyelashes that I used in today's video will be down below. I will try to have an entire set of those available through my Amazon storefront, which is linked below if you guys are interested in checking it out that way. But yeah, I love them. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.